Check out this 2008 Acura MDX. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Call today to schedule a test drive.